Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Apple account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Apple account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address apple.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Apple like this over here, guys. And you can see there are a lot of options available for us at the top of the screen over here, guys, where I'm hovering. And now in order to log into your account, first you'll be required to click on this bag icon just beside the magnifying glass icon, guys, where I'm hovering right now. So let's click on this bag icon, and over here, guys, you can see the account button and the sign in button available for us. You can go to any of these buttons, because even if you go to the account section, you will be first required to log into your account. So with that being said, guys, we'll be signing in first. So I have already clicked on the sign in button over here, which was available for us. You can see again the bag is empty, so let's click on the sign in. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your Apple ID or your iCloud ID like this, with which we have signed up for an account on the Apple. And after you have entered your email address, simply click on the right arrow. But guys, if you've forgotten your Apple ID or password, you can simply click on the Apple ID or password with the forgot button over here to go to your procedure to receive or reset your Apple ID or your password. With that being said, guys, if you have not yet created an account on the Apple, simply click on create yours now, and then you'll be taken to the sign up procedure of the Apple account. And with that being said, guys, after entering your email address, let's click on this right arrow button, and over here you'll be required to enter your password, guys. And after you have entered your iCloud ID or your Apple ID and your password, simply click on this arrow button again, and then you'll be signed into your Apple account online on your computer. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Apple account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.